Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you the best stream settings for Streamlabs Mobile. Now, I'm going to preface this by saying that I have a dated Android phone, so this might be good for those who have budget phones for if they still want to stream. And again, it depends on your phone. It depends on the internet speed or Wi-Fi speed that you have available. So what you want to do is, again, go to Play Store or App Store. Just search for Streamlabs. It's gonna appear here. Just download it. Doesn't take a lot of time. After that, tap open, and you're gonna be brought to this thing, and just tap cancel because it always wants to ask for recording or streaming. So what you want to do, just like the other videos, tap on the three lines or hamburger icon on the upper left corner of your screen, like so. And as you can see here, we are in the advanced settings. We are not in the simple settings because this is better. So after that, scroll to the very bottom, and you're going to see streaming settings. So tap on streaming settings, and here you could just fix audio settings, your microphone level, your internal microphone, more audio options. So you could just tweak this to your desire. After that, go to video settings, and again, output resolution. You could just do that. Expected frame rate. Again, these all depend on your phone, how strong your hardware is on your phone, and your internet or Wi-Fi speed, right? And you could just tweak all of these to your desire. Events list. Again, these are when you get subs or followers and whatnot. This depends on the platform that you have. So as you can see, we have Twitch. We have YouTube on then as well, but we don't need that. So just do that. We're just going to do Twitch. These are for Twitch, right? And advanced settings after that. Plan stream, you could just choose. These are all by default for me. These work for me. And again, you should check your phone, the hardware, its capacity and whatnot. After that, privacy settings, it's pretty self-explanatory. And then after that, platform settings, again, Twitch settings, you could just hide viewer count. Why would you hide your viewer count? Bandwidth test mode, you can do that to test your bandwidth before you stream. So this is suggested, and after that you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.